How to use two Snapchat accounts on one iPhone. Well, you can use two Snapchat accounts on one iPhone by simply going ahead and then first of all opening up the Snapchat application as you'd be able to find here. Then once you open the Snapchat app, you can have multiple accounts logged in and saved. So you can log into one of your existing accounts here, or you can simply tap on the use other account option, and then you'll be able to log into your another account by simply going ahead and entering the login details, and you'll be able to log into your another account if you want to. And this way you'll be able to use two Snapchat accounts on one iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.